Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create these professional PowerPoint slides. No more talking, let's jump right in. First, delete the current slide and insert a new blank slide. Then, go to the Insert tab, select a rounded rectangle and draw it like this. Select the rectangle, go to the Shape Format tab, set the shape outline to No Outline, and change the shape fill to your preferred color. Again, go to the Insert tab to insert your pictures and make them smaller to fit inside the rectangle. Select the picture, go to the Picture Format tab, and change the artistic effect to Pencil Grayscale. Follow the same steps for the rest of your pictures. Place the images in order. If your images don't have a transparent background, use the Remove Background tool under the Format tab. Now I have inserted all my images and made them black and white. Now, let's add our text. Go to the Insert tab, click on Text Box, and add your topic there. Let's choose a font style and increase the font size. Add your description the same way and place your text neatly on the slide. Once done, duplicate the slide by right-clicking on it and selecting Duplicate Slide. Now, on the duplicated slide, delete the previous text boxes. Go to Shapes under the Insert tab and insert the flowchart shape shown here. Draw it like this and rotate it. Select the shape, go to the Format tab, set the shape outline to No Outline, and fill the shape with your preferred color. Now select the first picture, go to the Format tab, and set the artistic effects to None. Increase the image size. As you can see, the image is behind the shape. To fix this, select the image, go to the Format tab, and under Bring Forward, click Bring to Front. Now you can place your image over the shape. After that, add your text by inserting new text boxes. Duplicate the slide again and repeat the steps. Delete the previous image, then select the next image. Go to Artistic Effects and select None. Increase the size of the picture and bring it to the front. Place it like this, change the shape to a different color, and update the text. Duplicate the slide one last time. Delete the previous image and text boxes. Select the next picture and remove its artistic effects. Increase its size and bring it to the front. Position the picture, change the shape color, and finally, update your text. For the final step, add the Morph transition to every slide. Now we're done. Let's see the slideshow. Perfect! I'm sure this will really impress your teacher. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you next time.